Ebusia, baby a Black Sherif or the Ghana air corner and no din pa. Baby a Black Sherif or the Ghana air corner and no din. Meno kase Africa dear. Ye come big news air koso pa dia. A Black Sherif a free Ghana. No one sem and as you see the African bloggers in na met to me kase the whole world. Bloggers say we are saying na obi a kasafa Iron Boy album yi. In fact, Nyakupon inshira Black Sherif. Na me no ka say the Nigeria for chese obi a react to Black Sherif album Iron Boy. Yes, na album we album we kita 15 songs. Ansa na no me so subscribe to me YouTube channel no. Na Facebook notification bell no so. Send me drop video bi on sabe to me Akabi. All the media platform ni so nya KwakuSmart TV. Me da wase. Black Sherif album no kita enyom maku 15 we feature crofobia woman Nigeria for account. Now we are Nigeria for case Black Sherif ayade. Now Black Sherif yade wayade no. Wayade say we feature Nigeria for movie our album we so. Album no e kita 15 songs. Title and then features ni be 1 the victory song, 2 1 2 no enyom no title add 1 o energy. 3 so it goes our future Fireboy DML. 4 top of the morning. 5 body. 6 sacrifice. 7 Suma Obi. 8 dreamer. 9 rebel music. Charlie rebel music. I know that be favorite song pa our album we so. Also favorite song one kasa our Black Sherif album we so. Yes, maybe dear rebel music. Yes, rebel music. All right. Can you know where the boys ni amose what dey say Shatta Wale no. Now so one day say Shatta. Aya asamoba aya se mutie bibia bloggers fam wo Ghana. Aya munya botrenye hwehwemu ansa. Eba ya no bia sorry ye. Black Sherif ade se Shatta. Black Sherif ade se Shatta. Adenti asemba ya munya botre. KwakuSmart. After the reason why my man fam na mpese me nya botre na me tietie mu edwemu suko se eya no kre. We any channel papa be ma no kre no. Subscribe to me YouTube channel no mame. Now follow me all the media platforms this nyina. All right. After yanko time no where them boys. Yes, and 11 no Iron Boy. Yeah, that album no so ankasa no. Yes, and no 11 Iron Boy. Charlie Iron Boy so Charlie more dankasa. More de. And 12 no Sin City. And no of future say vibes. Sin City say vibes featuring say vibes. And 13 no eye open. 14 changes. And last one 15 no January 9th. And you we obo mo no ankasa no ho. Obo e mo no ankasa no. Na uko Apple Music boom play. And top chart in the Black Sherif and the AJD. Yes, you see, I do Nigeria. Black Sherif at the number 2. Yes, I want on my chart so Black Sherif at the number 2. Now, and I Saturday weekend in Nigeria, baby, I be Black Sherif no be a body din. Yes. Now the reason why I'm a body din say because of what future some of Nigeria artists need be a Fireboy DML ne say vibes. I'm a Nigeria for na do na any agent. Black Sherif for I'm a more body din. Now uko a be Twitter handle name a be page so and some comments here eba Black Sherif every Nigeria for a be near Uwe Moses ya or say I be Nigerian but the album past 2 guys own were dropped last week or Chilemo so do a Nigerian but Black Sherif album we dear 2 album be my drop on Nigeria honmo last week here twemu ye obi no on my Black Sherif album no e betimi aben na Black Sherif album no e pass some crofo mienu wa mo mudi because so bo mudi asembe ba bet udi ma na wunu se wunu wo Ghana music industry ni mu a ubehu ni a opachire afa ni odi hon so o say because he featured only Nigerian artists I will stream it tomorrow asap Charlie where everyone love idibia yes Charlie I think say Nigeria for my yard. Big up to all Nigerians. Yes, Charlie. Big up to you guys because my support to Black Sherif. I'm an IFA. No need to know. And also say so. Shay vibes get sweet melody like this. I think these labels force artists to make blunt music in names of chasing hits or club bangers. Look, Just give me sweet melody, I beg. Wait, every no need dinho and so floating designer or say Nike needs to sign Blacko nigga. It's too good. Or Chilema Nike for someone sign Blacko. Yeah. Say my favorite changes and one those songs are highly spiritual. And last one was say changes on repeat. Or say no, Mrs. only hits. And then you do was say Black Sherif is different, eh? Paul and so say Paul ex-boy, or also say, my Niger people, let's forgive him. Now, quiet guy, I like him. Yes. The future, or say, so it goes. I did play that song like 50 times a day. Wow. I bet you so say, miss for where we did talk about music, you. This be conscious music, my guy. You can't hate listening to Blacko. Even your favorite has already streamed the album, Iron Boy. Afeyanko official James, or say, the guy good. Only say him the fuck up. Him need to be grateful to Nigerians for the massive support. Throughout his breakout, not the other way around. Alright. And you know, these are the ensema Nigeria for Ekan Efa Black Sherif. In fact, Onipa Yadia or Sayi, Black Sherif Wayade. Now Unim ni ama Black Sherif air trend. Upon Ude fan Nankasana Wabon M20. The videos any niyama or ye wo video ni mo ankasa ana aboa Black Sherif ama or trend ana sa guy na ankasa no Black Sherif chale guy no ensisi edi ne ho agro hwe se wo hwe the videos ni nyina no ebi kansam there are some symbols bi a wo Black Sherif video no ma symbol bi a woni a kire okwan a wo fa so bo ni ti okwan a wo fa so ti ho a waye quiet wo hwa enkrofo ni padodo na kita cameras egu no ho a waye DT features a guy no nia all ye wo video ni mu nyina akire sel e wo nia akire ma me kan sa nia all ye e wo video ni mu nyina e wo asekire guy no wa bene both home and honamani Black Sherif e de bibi beba Ghana Black Sherif or the bibi e beba Ghana we e ye nipa se etumi support no ama wotumi kofa every say sanka wo ye obi a anka omo ka se where them boys e ye Shatta Wale this no anka minua ka abaye beef I want to know no anya na adwin say you beef no ohwehwe we a big respect I said my Black Sherif yes na kopon sha no na ne yesi nani so any baby o person de Ghana kodu no otumi fa Ghana kodu esa say Ghana ha no mimi hu ne say apart from Shatta Wale ene Sarkodie and e bia me fa StoneBwoy nka ho no obie no ho no ma o de Ghana ekobim but ye hwe Nigeria for na chese most of Nigerians omo artists e de Nigeria kopa but Ghana ha is nipa mienu peso nti Black Sherif abeka ho ye de nyankopon ase ebusua subscribe to my YouTube channel no emame aha eye KwakuSmart bomodin so be follow me all the media platform ni so nyina makraw alright ebusua be think the going that boy na so level be right now they go live KwakuSmart ki e come there one day na ye pe ra kwa ya